In today's digital age, it's vital your business has what's called an online presence. If you don't, or what you do have isn't very good, it's going to be very difficult to grow your brand, increase profits, and be successful. And here's another problem. Creating a powerful online presence means mastering numerous types of online marketing techniques. Let's face it, you're an expert in your particular industry. But unless you have time, energy, and a lot of money to waste while you learn from your mistakes, becoming a master at creating an online presence is going to be difficult, if not impossible. And that's why you need online marketing experts like us. We have the expertise and experience you need to increase sales and profit significantly. That means having an outstanding, responsive website that's easy to navigate on all mobile devices and desktops, using feature-rich mobile apps across any platform, creating engaging marketing videos, social media marketing, and Facebook apps to interact in new, persuasive ways. We can do all of this for your business and even more, including search engine optimization, digital branding, pay-per-click marketing, web hosting, domain services, and all e-commerce related activities. Our expert team has years of experience, and our customer service is simply as good as it gets. The point being is this: when you work with us, we take care of handling all your digital marketing and do it at an affordable price. We build your online presence into something powerful that creates long-term sales and an affinity for your brand, leaving you to do what's most important: run your business and take care of your customers. If that sounds like an excellent idea, get in touch with us today